my new locks that we'll be picking on the next video. Hey guys, it's Joe with Average Joe Locksport. I just received these two sets of locks. One of them is the Master Lock M530 XTLH. And I do already have one of these, but I kind of like the lock and wanted one to work on and disassemble and see what else crazy I could do to it. The other ones are these Schlage, and the model number on these look like 994831. And these will be the locks I'll be working on the next video as far as picking them. But let's go ahead and open them up and see what we got. They're pretty beefy locks. They look almost identical to the Master Lock. I'm looking for the Master Locks I have that match this. Where is it? Here it is. Here is the Schlage, and here is the Master Lock. They look close to the same. But anyway, back to the new locks. So these are the two Schlages. And again, we also received these Master Locks here. There is the keyway. And there is the bitting on the keys. And the other one, obviously the same thing. There's the keyway. And there is the bitting on the keys. So there are my two Schlages. Here are my two Master Locks. Let's go ahead and get the Master Locks off the cardboard. And here is one of the keyways on the Master Lock. And there are both of them side by side. And the two keys side by side. So there's our two new Master Lock Magnums with the keys and the 2 Schlages. What I do want to see is the difference in the two. The Master Lock looks like it has a beefier shackle. The keyway, as you can see, almost looks identical. Alright guys, let's go ahead and get the Master Lock out of the way. And that is it. Just wanted to do a quick opening on the next set of locks that I'm going to try to pick online. If you guys like what you see, please leave me a thumbs up and subscribe. Other than that, have a good day. Bye. If you guys like what you see, please leave me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you.